It's recording. Wow! Alright, I'm back with Doc. We're doing a Roblox lobby. So,
Minecraft, Roblox, copy Roblox, just Minecraft, but we're...
oh, it's a axe. Poo poo.
Ah,
I'm stuck. Yeah.
and I died. Yay!
Yay. I know for me.
You just jump on the dirt. Do not... There's bucket, and I am falling on the dirt.
Good job, Diamond. To get a cat on a tree. What? Oh, I fell. Oh.
Oh, what kind of cat is it?
It's a black one.
It's a bit racist.
It is, yeah, I know. Hoot!
Oh! I'm a kitty cat! Oh! Kitty
I'm a kitty cat. Yeah, that's what it is. Good. The kitty cat mic is on.
There's a pig!
It's a piggy cat. And a pack.
I'm
It
liking the
picks pigs in it. Oh my god, I loves it. Alright, let's go.
The horses is back!
I walked
And
into.
we both walked in.
We both walked into a cactus.
Take it slow, and you're gonna push me into one. I can see this happening already.
Oh, this is like the book level from last time. I never actually finished that. I gave it on Roblox. Very sad.
No, the lava looks so weird.
Oh my god, yeah, it's all stretched out.
I hate when...
Wait, what's the sign? Oh, it's a pickaxe, but like a non-Minecraft
And I
pickaxe.
just died.
I nearly walked on
Where'd you
lava.
go?
The floor is lava. I didn't touch that.
One potato.
Two potato. I'm a potato. Hi, potato.
And into the...
Look at my legs.
There
They
you go.
still.
Looks like we're the wrong side. And the lava's on the wall. This is really... like.
What?
And I also died.
Oh, if you look at the ground, it's in blocks and it looks cool.
And you died.
I love watching my butter.
This is beautiful for me.
I'm really bad at in recordings because I always start saying something.
Oh my god, Saoirse!
What?
They have zombies!
Oh, Jesus. Oh, he's following you. How cute.
My boyfriend.
And your boyfriend?
Oh, girlfriend.
It can be whatever. Is it Mark? Is it Mark?
No, speedrun!
Oh, he's following. Oh, I forgot that Leon watches my videos now. What?
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 How
How did? Oh, I walked into it. Yeah. What color is that? Green. Can't. I can't.
is this like...
Oh, you just need to. Oh my God, my head.
That was really easy.
Wait, I only record when I'm playing with you. Like I was playing with Neve a while ago, but I wouldn't record with her. It's not that I wouldn't. That I just. Here, I mean, wait. I need to because I have to.
Look, it's a nether portal.
Wait, stop. Pause the recording. Give me a second.
I'm getting your name.
Did you say? Did you? It's okay if you
I
said
don't
it,
know.
cause like it's on my Instagram anyway.
Okay, can I go now? Nether.
You were seeing me. I've been recording. Ah! I died.
Can I go now?
I think there's only one person on LPS on YouTube that knows my name.
That was a stupid transition to go to the nether. Fuck you.
You were supposed to go together, you evil pie.
The nether ones are more evil than me. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Come on. Okay, I'm going into the nether.
No, don't you dare. Don't. I will unfriend you on Roblox.
Don't. I'm already gone though.
I hate you. That was the worst transition ever.
Seriously, go back.
No.
Trust me, I was hiding behind the wall.
No, you've already went though, because you knew about the magma cube, so shut up. That was the worst transition ever.
I know. Is this meant to be a tree?
Is it sad that I can't do this jump? Wow!
Yeah.
Oh my god! Wow! Wow!
One last Nia, it was in Jesse were in my room, and Nia was teaching me power whenever she drew something.
Pow!
No, I hate this one. If we have walk on the colored blocks and they disappear.
Oh, I love that one. You're so far ahead of me. Can you wait, like?
No.
You.
Boop, boop, boop.
Shh! I'm concentrating.
So am I. That's why I'm gonna keep saying boop.
I fell.
I didn't say boop properly. How dare you?
Ruin my mission. Plus silence, cause I'm trying to do this.
Back silence.
Ba-da-dee. Dumb. My game's lagging and it's annoying me.
I'm not gonna let this guy do it for me. When I have to pick the paths, I'm just gonna let this guy do it for me.
It's the one where you have to pick the right one, isn't it?
Yeah.
You should be waiting for me and you're not.
Ha. Okay, wait for you, so.
Shh, 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 shh. Let's jump! I didn't make that. I cried. Literally cried. Oh, this first time I ever beat this was one of the levels, and I couldn't do it because I couldn't control properly. That was my first time playing Roblox ever. Are you still there? You can talk now.
Okay, but like. No, this one. There we go.
Here, no, wait for me because you need to tell me which ones to do.
Darn it, I didn't even fall. I just went through the middle gap. Oh my god, I'm an idiot.
I die.
I forget the pattern.
God damn it, Dana.
And then the diamond. And then I'm before this guy. Enderman. Wow. And I died.
This is
wow.
so triggering. I'm triggered. Why is this difficult?
How did I die? There's like 30 stages.
How are you better than me at this?
Seriously, you made me unconcentrate and last jump.
Haha. Oh my god, I was at the end.
No, it sucks. And this guy is just terrible at doing parkour.
Calm down. Oh my god, Dana.
You should have seen how I panicked. How I was panicking.
I forgot we were recording.
Ah, yes, hello.
Ah, yes, hello.
What time is it even?
We're 8 minutes in. Oh my god.
And we're already failing really badly.
Rage quit. No, but I wouldn't be at rage quit stage if you waited for me and we were doing this together. Leon always waits for me.
Yeah, that's his job, not mine.
Evil. Oh, it did it! Hard!
Are you a pirate now? You're hard.
No, I want to go to the end. It's me, a pirate hard. Okay, concentration phase. Danda, don't talk to me, I'm busy.
1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump, 5 jump, 6 jump.
7 jump, 11 jump. No, can you wait for me now? Seriously. Oh.
No.
Please.
And then we have pickaxes and swords and yeah.
Fine. I'm not uploading this because you're not gonna be famous.
I'm okay with that. Oh, they're savages.
I am a savage. Rard.
I thought it was gonna be speedrun and I knew it. Oh, we should do speedrun.
Do you wanna?
Let me complete this.
Diamond kills you. What's the pattern, Dana?
I think it's iron first,
Yeah.
and then golds, and I have no idea about the rest. Diamond is the last one.
Alright, so I just have to figure out the one. Fun.
Damn it!
Neof kept asking me what our password was because she couldn't remember it. I'm on to the end. It's another one of these ones. I'm really... You okay there?
No! One jump and died. Wow.
I'm pretty sure someone, not gonna name who, liked all of my videos.
I think I know who that someone is.
Yeah.
I'm joking.
No. Yeah, you know who it is though, don't you?
Congratulations! Oh, come on!
Did you finish?
I saw this one guy like, congratulations, you won! And I was just one of the hardest easiest jumps, and I failed. So now do it again. Oh my god! I think it's not John Doe.
Who's John Doe?
Do you not know who John Doe is?
No.
Oh wait, is it Roblox? Okay. When your viewers know who John Doe is, because I'm acting like a complete dork, you need to search him up after, Lunar. Oh god, you need to.
Tell me who he is!
He was like in person play Minecraft, and like they banned him from the game for some reason. But now, I think it was 2 years ago, and Mark hacked everyone. I think my account, even my old account, got hacked. And I was like, no.
Mine get hacked. Get wrecked, boyos.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get hacked here. I can get speed run.
Okay, I'm leaving. Do you want to play speedrun?
No, hang on, there's speeds here. The 5 to 10.
No, we're
normal
doing a
speed. Oh my
speedrun.
god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna paint myself this color.
We're doing a speedrun.
Okay. Bye bye.
Oh yeah, we're gonna end it. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later. Toodle doodle doo.
Alligator. Or whatever.
Tune next time to watch us play a speedrun. Sorry, I'm leaving.